If you ever want to be perceived as a strong man, as a dude that doesn't quiver and shake no matter whose presence they're in, whether it's a powerful individual or a beautiful woman, this is the stuff you should never do. Let's hop into this. One, the most important one, never avoid eye contact. When you are in a situation where you feel intimidated, it is natural to lower your eyesight, right? You feel uncomfortable just looking at that person in the eye. Again, whether it's a beautiful individual or a powerful individual, it happens the same in both cases, and you need to fight against that urge. And when you do, you have to make it natural. I think the last statistic that I read is it's about 70% of eye contact and 30% looking around. In other words, when I'm having a conversation with you, I can look off to the side, right? I'll regroup my thoughts, and then I'll come back. This is normal eye contact. This is strong. This is powerful. Two, lack confidence. I don't care what situation you're in, fake the confidence. What you need to understand, confidence is one of those things that you can fake it till you make it. In other words, if you act confident in most situations, you will start noticing like, yo, this wasn't that bad. And then the more you do it, the more you put yourself in those situations in a confident state, you will genuinely start just being confident because you'll notice it wasn't that bad. In other words, having open body language, standing in that power position, shoulder width apart, maintaining that eye contact. I want you to fake it. I also want you to do things that make you feel confident. For example, one of the things that I love is fragrances. I've talked about this before. And fragrances don't make you attractive because they smell good. According to scientific studies, fragrances make you attractive because it makes you feel confident. In other words, it is every time that you spray that fragrance in the morning, that uplift mood that you feel when you put something that you like, that energy, you carry it through the day, and it's that energy that makes you attractive on top of smelling good. So you know what? I've created something, the Santa Lucia Smell Good Kit. In case you don't know, I have a company called Santa Lucia, high-end fragrances. They're made in France, best oils in the world. And I decided I wanted to do something insane. I wanted a smell good kit. In other words, I wanted you to smell good in every situation of your life. You personally, you in your car, and you even at your house. So I'm gonna do an offer that's insane, and it's only gonna be for the next 24 hours for this Smell Good Kit. If you buy the 3 fragrance set of Santa Lucia, which are 3 fragrances for any situation of your life, when you smell these, I'm telling you, best fragrances you'll ever smell. Better than anything you got, and it won't smell like anything you got. So when you step into a room, you'll be that unique scent. You buy those 3 fragrance sets, I'm gonna take $150 off the set. You already know that. So that's already an insane deal, but I'm about to spice it up. I'm gonna also include a free car diffuser and a home diffuser. So in other words, you're getting the 3 set, a car diffuser and a home diffuser, but you're only buying the 3 set. Bro, this is only for today, only for the G's that really want to smell good in every aspect of your life. So now, whether you hopping in your car, you're at your house, or you're going out, you're always in that uplifted mood. Your confidence is always on high. That's where I want you to get. And again, this is only for the dudes that, this is only for the dudes that want to be confident. This is going to be linked down below. And again, offer, it's expiring in 24 hours. So those of you that watch it in like 2-3 days, I'd be mad salty I didn't pick this up, bro. 3, you need to stop acting slow. In other words, strong men do what they say when they say they will do it. For example, if you say, man, I really want to get a 6-pack this summer. Okay, start right now. I'm not telling you to start, okay, I'm going to start August 1st. No, you just wasted 30 days. Oh, I'm going to start tomorrow morning. Nah, start right now. All right, we're cutting out the sugary drink. I'll go to the gym. All right, I'm going for a run. Or I'm gonna do some push-ups right now. See, I want you to start getting into the mentality of acting fast. Bro, time is your most valuable asset. And if you know anything about investing, compound interest is probably, I think somebody called it like the 8th wonder of the world. In other words, when you start early and you start investing in whatever, whether it's your fitness, your game, your business, I don't care what it is, that compounds over time. In other words, stop wasting time. You say you're gonna wake up early, you wake up early tomorrow. You're saying you go to the gym, you go to the gym now. You're saying you want a girlfriend, all right, you're going out and you're gonna start day pickup tomorrow. 4, strong men never avoid tribulation. What that means is strong men thrive in tough times. We know this. You wanna face those tough times head on. And by the way, I'm not telling you to be a masochist and pray for tough times. What I'm telling you is, I want you to challenge yourself and put yourself in those uncomfortable situations that you would not want to be in, but you know that on the other side of that, it's your goal. And here's the thing. You probably will fail. I'm gonna be honest with you. Especially if it's the first time you take that thing head on, you're gonna fail, right? You're gonna get back down. But what also happens, it's like you're like iron. And every time you face a challenging task like that, it's like that iron gets sharpened. And every time you go through something like that, those tough tasks become easier, right? Because you're that hardened iron. You go through that furnace. This applies to everything in life, whether it's business, whether it's the gym, whether it's your health, whether it's picking up girls. It applies to everything. 5, your emotions do not matter, and they definitely should not guide your actions. Look, I'm not telling you won't feel sad or tired or scared or anxious or fearful. These are very real, right? And you will feel them all the time. However, these are also fluid states, and a lot of times they are made up in your own head and not part of the real physical world. And the reason I'm telling you this is because your goals, right? That iron weight in the gym, the stuff that you want to achieve, which are inanimate objects in the real world, do not care about your emotions, right? So the only person you're hurting is yourself. In other words, if you're tired or you're depressed or you're sad, you not going to the gym is not going to hurt the iron. It's not going to hurt the gym. Only hurting you. But you getting up, fighting against that fluid emotion of like, man, you really shouldn't go to the gym. That's what you're telling yourself. But you decide to fight against that. You go to the gym. You get that work done. I promise you, when you walk out of the gym, you're going to feel 10 times better than you felt before. You will have also sharpened your base. So now you're a stronger individual. Taking this mentality in every aspect of your life, you become unstoppable. Ultimately rolls us to number 6. Strong men know when they're wrong. See, that's where you win, because you know you're going to be wrong a lot of times. I'm wrong almost all the time, and that's fine, right? Because what ends up happening is you start learning from your mistakes. You start fixing, tweaking, and seeing where the errors are happening so you can become better. That's the point you want to get, so you become that strong man. That's it for your boy. See you next time.